In response to the need for a valve that minimizes the complications often found in traditional fixed pressure valves, Integra presents its family of self-adjusting valves, designed to regulate flow at the normal physiological production rate of CSF, therefore minimizing common complications such as overdrainage and catheter obstruction. To address the needs of patients with thin skin, Integra introduces the OSV II Low Pro, featuring the same smart technology in a new smart size. While a typical differential pressure valve is designed to maintain constant pressure regardless of flow, the OSV II maintains a constant flow rate regardless of differential pressure. The practical applications of these opposing theories are as follows. With a standard DP valve, pressure is the critical component for functionality. With Integra's self-adjusting valves, flow is the critical component for functionality. The constant flow rate is achieved by varying the size of the surface area that CSF is able to pass through within the valve. As varying amounts of CSF enter the valve, the diaphragm moves up and down accordingly along a synthetic ruby-notched pin to allow more or less fluid through as it exits the valve. This always-open valve functionality allows for the desired result of a constant flow rate through the valve. This is achieved over 3 stages. Stage 1 begins when the flow rate reaches 5 milliliters per hour. The differential pressure will be somewhere in the range of 30 to 120 millimeters of water. The valve remains in Stage 1 with CSF rates up to 18 milliliters per hour. During Stage 2, when differential pressure is anywhere between 120 millimeters of water and 300 millimeters of water, the valve operates as a variable resistance flow regulator. Thus, flow is restricted to approximately 18 to 30 milliliters per hour. With a standard DP valve, postural overdrainage due to the siphoning effect can lead to a number of complications, including overdrainage and catheter occlusion. The unique flow regulating stage found in the Integra self-adjusting family of valves is not susceptible to the siphoning effect because it maintains a constant flow rate regardless of differential pressure. This means an increase in ICP due to the patient being in the vertical position will not result in overdrainage or catheter occlusion. During Stage 3, in the extreme event that intraventricular pressure should elevate abruptly above 300 millimeters of water, the shunt operates in a rapid flow rate model to facilitate IVP normalization. Once IVP has reverted to normal, the valve returns to functioning within the first 2 stages, where it operates the majority of the time.